Thought you was in a good mood, bud. Yeah? Talk to me, buddy. Hello. Barrett. Barrett. What you doing, buddy? Are those fingers good? Yeah.